Let's talk about some measures being taken to tackle the humanitarian crisis in Benue State. Victims Support Fund has distributed food items to internally displaced persons in Okpute Community in Oju local government of the state. Also donated were medical consumables and a tricycle ambulance to a primary health care center in Okpute. Mayowa Okpute reports.
The deplorable condition of persons living in internally displaced camps across Benue State continues to be a source of worry to the state government. The state government has repeatedly called for assistance from the federal government to help return internally displaced persons to their indigenous home. Pained at their continued hardship, the Benue State governor stated that the figure of IDPs in various camps has risen above 1,500,000. This rising number makes their condition of living much more difficult, with resources of the state government to cater for their needs overstretched.
We are against the injustice that is being perpetrated by this current federal government, and so they have devised several measures of punishing us. Like I said, every other person has been given support to clear areas that we inherited. I inherited 70 billion naira areas of pension and gratuity and salaries when I came in 2015.
The governor is happy to receive a delegation from the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development. He expresses hope that the visit will kickstart a turnaround in the story of Benue IDPs for good.
I want to assure you that we shall support and encourage this effort you're trying to do for humanity, because you have chosen to look at the downtrading and also the pains and the suffering of IDPs, women, children, women that are given birth in the camps.
The leader of the delegation disclosed that they haven't brought solutions, but have come to assess the humanitarian challenges faced by the IDPs and ascertaining their needs for possible intervention.
The assistance is needed is supposed to be backed up by data. How many people are actually affected, displaced, or how many actually need the assistance from anybody at all. And we're in this state to verify that number, work closely with the state government to verify that number, ascertain that these are actual people, and find out what needs they have, because every need is peculiar.
The delegation is made up of other international agencies like the United Nations High Commission for Refugees, and they will visit all IDPs to enable them prioritize their support to the state. Mayowa Okpute, TVC News.